Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Save Selfies as preview on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen, okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, you can see the Save Selfies as preview. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the Save Selfies as preview, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, if this enable or turn on, save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And that's it, okay? We've successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? We have successfully enabled or disable Save Selfies as preview on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.